You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. If you've requested several international moving quotes and you feel confused, maybe even suspicious, about how different they are, you're not alone. Today, we're explaining why international moving quotes vary so dramatically and what those differences really mean. International moving is not a fixed price commodity. It's a layered logistics service that includes export packing, freight booking, custom documentation, port handling, overseas coordination, and final delivery at destination. Each of those stages has cost variables. Two companies can survey the same home and produce very different quotes because they're making different assumptions about volume, freight structure, services included, and risk allocation. One quote may look significantly cheaper because the projected volume is lower. Another may appear higher because it includes destination services that the lower quote left vague. Some movers include door-to-door services clearly. Others quote port-to-port freight and leave you responsible for local charges overseas. On paper, the totals look different. In reality, the structure is what's different. That's why understanding the full door-to-door process is critical before comparing numbers. If you want to see how a properly structured relocation works from origin through delivery, review our overview on our website. Once you understand the process, the difference between quotes becomes much clearer. If you want a detailed, transparent quote built around the full relocation process, visit our website or give us a call. We'll walk you through every stage so you can compare estimates with confidence.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.